See the problem on quadratic expressions or equations. He is given quadratic equation and it will have two roots. How many roots? Two roots. And also given the two roots the nature will be equal roots. Equal roots. Now when the roots are equal, how to find the unknown value in the quadratic equation? If the roots are equal roots, using discriminant of the quadratic equation, we have to take del is equal to 0. Now, since the roots of quadratic equation are equal, that implies del is equal to 0. Del is equal to 0. What is the del value? B square minus 4AC will be 0. Now compare these coefficients with the standard quadratic equation. What are the coefficients we have? A is equal to 1. B equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 3m. C equal to 7 into 3 plus 2m. Now by substituting all the coefficients in this discriminant, we get b square is minus 2, 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 into a. What is a value? 1. What is c? 7 into 3 plus 2m equal to 0. Now simplify this. 2 square will be 4, minus square will be plus 4 into 1 plus 3m whole square minus 4 into 4 sevens 28. 28 into 3 plus 2m equal to 0. 4 into expand this with the help of a plus b whole square. 1 square will be 1. 3m square will be 9m square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 1 into 3, 6m minus 28 into 3, 23, 60, 8 3 is a 24, that is 84, 28 into 2, 40 plus 16, that will be 56, 56m equal to 0. Now on multiplication with the 4 into 1 will be 4 plus 9 4s 36 m square plus 6 4s 24 m minus 84 here minus into plus minus 56m equal to 0. Now first write m square term, that will be 36m square. Next 24 minus 56, that will be 32 minus 32 only. 56 minus 24 to 32m. Next constants, 4 minus 84, that will be minus 80 equal to 0. Now from this, what is the common one? We can take 4 is the common. That is, by taking 4 common, this will be 9 4s m square. This is 4 8s 8m. This is 20s equal to 0. 9m square minus 8m minus 20 will be 0. Now find out the roots with the help of, we have quadratic equation roots formula minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. Otherwise by choosing these two also we can find out. 9 into 2, that is 18, 180. 9 into 20 is 180, minus 180. Here 8 is there. When we add or subtract with a number, it should get 180. That will be, what is the number we can take? 9 2s. Using roots of quadratic equation, m is equal to minus b, minus of minus 8 plus or minus under root of b square. This is minus 8 square minus 4, a value is 9, c is minus 20 divided by 2a, 2 into 9, 18. M is equal to, this will be plus 8 plus or minus 8 square will be 64 minus minus plus, here 4 8s 36, 36 into 2 72 0, that is plus 720 divided by 18. M is equal to 8 plus or minus root of 784 divided by 2a, that will be 18. 8 plus or minus root of 74 will be 14 2s 28, that is 28 by 18. 8 plus or minus 28 by 18, take plus 1 or and minus 1, 18 and 8 minus 28 by 18. Plus will be 36, 36 by 18 will be 2 and minus will be 20, 20 by 18, minus 20 by 18, 2 tens, 2 nines, that is minus 10 by 9. Here m is equal to, therefore m is equal to 2 and m is equal to minus 10 by 9. Therefore, according to the given statement, the equal roots of the quadratic equation, lies between, the lower value is minus 10 by 9 and higher value is 2.